InGrade, learning that works.
Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to install MySQL easily from the official website. We will be using simple step, plain language, and I will guide you just like a friend. By the end of this video, you will have MySQL ready to use on your computer. No coding experience needed. Let's get started. Open your favorite browser, type in mysql.com and press enter. You will see the MySQL homepage. Let's look for the download. It usually up at the top of the page in the main menu. Click on downloads. Now scroll down a little. You will see something called MySQL Community GPL download. This version is free and open source, perfect for most users. Click on MySQL Community download. Now look for MySQL installer for Windows. Go ahead and click that. Here you will see two options: web installer, smaller download but needs internet during install. Second, full installer, big file, includes everything even if you lose internet. If you have a steady internet connection, I would recommend the web installer. It downloads just the part you need. Click the download button next to the web installer. You might see a page asking you to sign up or log in, but you can just scroll down and click no thanks, just start by download. Save the file somewhere easy to find like your desktop. You might see a page asking you to sign up or log in, but you can just scroll down and click no thanks, just start my download. Save the file somewhere easy to find like your desktop. Once the download is finished, double-click your new MySQL installer file. There's a screen called Choosing a Setup Type. You will see a few options: server only, client only, full or custom. Now choose custom. This gives you what most people needed: the MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench and a few other helpful tools. Click Next. Now the installer checks if your computer has everything it needs. If anything is missing, you will see a warning. Click on the missing item, then click Execute to install any extra software like Visual C++. Once everything is ready, click Next. Click on the missing item, then click Execute to install any extra software like Visual C++. Once everything is ready, click Next. The next screen shows you what's about to be installed. Click Execute to start the installation. This might take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. When it's done, click Next. Now it's time to set up MySQL itself. You will see a screen labeled Product Configuration. Select MySQL Server and click Next. Choose Standalone MySQL Server or just the custom. Then click Next. On the type and networking page, the default setting work for the almost everyone. Configuration type, development computer. Connectivity for TCP or IP. Leave the port at 3306. Click Next. Next, choose the authentication method. Pick the default. Use any strong password. You will be prompted to create a password for the root account. This is for the main MySQL administrator. Make sure to choose a password you won't forget. Enter it and confirm, then click Next. This allows MySQL to run automatically when your computer starts. Leave the default setting and click Next. Review the summary, then click Execute to apply all the settings. When it's finished, click Finish. Make sure to choose a strong password you won't forget. Enter it and confirm, then click Next. This allows MySQL to run automatically. Make sure to choose a strong password you won't forget. Enter it and confirm, then click Next. This allows MySQL to run automatically when your computer starts. Leave the default setting and click Next. Review the summary, then click Execute to apply all the settings. When it's finished, click Finish. You may get the option to launch MySQL Workbench now. This is a graphic tool for managing your databases, super helpful. Click Next and then Finish. Let's check if MySQL is working or not. Open MySQL Workbench from your Start menu. Click on the MySQL server you just set up. Enter the root password you picked earlier, then click Check or OK. If it says Connection successfully, congratulations, MySQL is installed and it's running. Now, you can start creating databases, running SQL queries and exploring more with MySQL. If you ever need to change your setup, just open MySQL installer from the Start menu and remember, don't lose your root password. And if you see any error, check your firewall or internet connection. That's it. You have installed MySQL directly from the website with clear, simple steps. Thanks for watching and happy learning.